With Metrics, we have been associated for the last 3 years. We have initially for single door access control, and now we have moved to large projects where we are implementing access control for 400 doors and time attendance for around 17,000 people and such kind of projects. Metrics has helped us to grow our business. Primarily, the concept of Metrics security solutions is a bit different from what used to be there in the market at that point of time. So the whole concept of centralized time attendance and access control system, it gives the end user a lot of flexibility. So we have done a project with the Pearl Qatar. The Pearl Qatar is an artificial island built in Qatar. So we implemented access control system for around 40 towers. So altogether we had around 400 doors. So it's a project where you have everything you can think of in a network, because each building to the control room is going in fiber, and you have multiple levels of building, and you have access controls in multiple floors. So each building has around 6 to 7 IDFs, and you have around 30-40 readers in typical buildings and some fewer. So that's the kind of project that we have done. We are expecting around 5,000 people to use these access control facilities year on year. And in terms of the attendance system, we implemented a turnstile based access control cum attendance system for Samsung C&T. So Samsung C&T was building a power plant in Qatar. So they have around 17,000 people working in the project, and we implemented a turnstile system for the employees to go through, and we installed that on an outdoor environment with the Vega FAX, and the people use their cards to get access to the site, as well as their attendance is monitored from the site office. So that's a project where we implemented time attendance system. To be successfully selling Metrics, the partner has to invest some time to study Metrics. So it is, I agree, it is not a easy to sell kind of a product. It's not a bit easy for a new company to start selling Metrics. You have to understand how Metrics has packaged the entire solution. So you have device layer, you have the platform layer, you have the module layer. So it's a bit confusing for somebody who has not been doing Metrics. So first you have to invest your time to study how it is, and then you have to communicate the same essence to your customer. Metrics is a very good company in terms of providing knowledge to their integrators. So they contact WebEx on request. So I would say that the partners should utilize Metrics to get more training. Currently we are doing security in a good way. We are doing security. If you compare our security business that used to be 3 years back, and after partnering with Metrics, we have made a lot of improvement in security business. We have recently decided to promote IPVS as well, and we did our training, and we are now implementing in that way. Plus we are now focusing on telecom as well, because we are strong on one side, but we are improving on the other two sides. So in future we feel that all the three businesses that we do will have equal volume.